and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am finally back with another video, part 2 of our targeting video series that I started. This part is going to be the psychographics of targeting, which is the why behind what your consumers do. So I'm going to be looking down again because I take notes. I write notes out so I don't be just rambling all over the place. Okay, so the study of psychographics and the classification of people according to their attitude, aspirations, and other psychological criteria, especially in marketing. That is the definition of psychographics, okay? So it's the study of classification of people according to their attitude, aspirations, and other psychological criteria, especially in marketing. Okay, so the first one would be lifestyle. So lifestyle is pretty much like, do they party, or are they family people? Do they live the fast life, or are they churchgoers? Things like that. And with lifestyle is going to help you actually know exactly where these people are, because if somebody lives a lifestyle of clubbing, then they would be in the club, so you would target the club goers. If they are somebody who is spiritual and religious, they might be, in a church, they might be somewhere doing yoga, meditating, something like that, and you would target them there. You also want to make sure that with the lifestyle, that you choose a lifestyle that is resistant to, well, in my opinion, you want to choose a lifestyle that is resistant to, what is it called? Like resistant to, like when the government shut down, what was that? The recession, okay? So there is a group of people and there is a certain lifestyle that some people live that is resistant to recessions. In a group, a good example that I got while learning about this was about designer shoes. So when they did a study of the market during the recession, there was one area that never took a hit, and that was shoes that were priced over $600. Those people during the recession were still able to buy these $600 shoes because they live a lifestyle that was resistant to the recession and things like that. So hobbies. Do they like movies, CrossFit, doing hair? Again, hobbies and lifestyle are kind of related because, again, if you know what their hobbies are, then you're more able to locate them mentally and physically. So morals and beliefs. So morals, beliefs. Obviously, they're why, which is my favorite because you most times, so let me try to find an example. Morals and beliefs. So let's say like me, okay, so I'm going to be selling braided wigs, right? And so my braided wigs are going to come from Nigeria. And so while, yes, I could source some braided wigs from China, I decided to add a why to my braided wigs, and my braided wigs would speak to people with morals and beliefs of supporting other black women in countries where they're less fortunate. So when I sell my braided wigs, my customer will see my braided wigs, and then their morals and their beliefs will be triggered into saying, okay, well, yes, this wig might take 3 weeks to get here, but in exchange, I'm helping feed a black woman's family in Nigeria. So I'm doing something good even though I'm spending this money. So you want to make sure that you are really speaking to your audience's morals and beliefs. If your audience base has morals and beliefs, some people don't. Okay, so interest, music, and shows will be next, and you're going to use their interests, their music preferences, their shows, where they shop, and things like that to target them on ads. So on Facebook ads, there's a section where you can choose like their favorite TV shows, some of their other interests, some of their music selections. And what that'll do on Facebook ads is it will like target those people that search for that, target those people that are talking about that, and things like that. And And yeah, so that part basically helps with the ads. And I will be doing a video, an in-depth series on creating a Facebook ad. And if that's something you would be interested in, drop a comment and like this video, please. And don't forget to subscribe. I forgot to say it in the beginning, but please, please, please subscribe to my channel. We are now at the end of this video because psychographics is very quick. So again, it's lifestyle, hobbies, morals and beliefs, interests, music, and shows. And remember, interest, music, and shows, you need that information to be able to target on your Facebook ads. So it is still very important. And the way you find it out is you ask. So like I've been learning this week, is your Facebook page and your followers and stuff like that need to be your buying based audience. So when you ask these questions, you get real answers from people who have bought from you, who are wanting to buy from you, and then you can go and create ads to target more of those people. Okay, so that is that on psychographics. I hope that this video helped. In our next video, we're going to talk about archetype basics. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Next video I'll have like a pronunciation of how to say it, but pretty much you're going to create your avatar next. Okay, so the avatar is going to take the diagram, hold on one second. So the avatar is going to be based off of your psychographics, and it's going to be based off your demographics. It's early in the morning and I'm having brain farts. So yeah, so you're gonna need your demographics and your psychographics. So try to have that information filled out, so the next video when we talk, we can then start creating your avatar, because that is very important in creating an avatar. You need both, but to create an avatar you needed to know what demographics and psychographics actually were. So yeah, so if you have any other questions, please let me know. Feel free to email me, look me up on Facebook, Instagram. I think you can inbox on YouTube. If you have any questions, inbox on YouTube. And yeah, that'll do it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. It is free, and I want to continue to be able to do these free videos for you all. But in order to do that, I need the likes and I need the subscriptions right now, okay? So yes.